machine up to the tailpipe of the exhaust. So let's turn this on. So that smoke machine should now fill the exhaust system with smoke all the way back up to here, and we should be able to see where the leak is coming from. Okay, so we've started getting smoke through.
Okay, so that looks like it's coming from the bottom end of this clamp.
So it looks like that leak is coming from the bottom side of this exhaust clamp, and the exhaust clamp wraps around the two sections of exhaust and clamps them together, but there's also a gasket in the center. So I've taken the exhaust clamp off, everything looks okay. It might not have been positioned in the best way, so I've taken it off, put it back on, tightened it back up. So let's put the smoke machine back on it again and see if that's made any improvement. Otherwise we'll have to replace the clamp and the new gasket.